welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you calculator hidden features that can save time and boost productivity. Let's explore some useful tips. So let's get started. Firstly, we are going to search bar, type calculator, then open it. You will see this is the standard calculator. Click on three dots, three lines. Here you will see all the calculators: scientific, graphic, programmer, date calculation. So first of all, we are on built-in unit calculator. Click on length. Here you will see 10 inches in how many centimeters. No need to search on Google, everything is built in. Next is currency converter. Here you will see currency. You will see any of the 1 euro, how much Indian rupee. Click on any of the currency you want to know. Example, Indonesian rupee, Iceland, and many more. Next is calculation history. Then going to standard calculator. Here I will calculate, then enter. Click on this button. You will see the history. You will past calculations, copy result with one click also. For example, you can control C with copy and plus control V, then equal to. You will see no need to type. You can also see graphing calculator. You can see we will then and that's it. This hidden window 11 calculator features can make your daily work easier. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips. Thanks for watching.